My name is Ronnie Dunitz, coming to you from Israel, and I'm really excited about being the presenter and facilitator of the Staging Mastermind Orientation Workshop, and following that, the three-part series in July. It's really exciting for me to introduce to you the mastermind concept. Let's start with this. When was the last time that you have found yourself in a situation where 10 or more people are in a room or in a group, and they're thinking with you and for you? Now, that's not something that we usually do. We're not educated in that way. We're educated to go off on our own, to figure it out, to maybe ask some questions here and there. But the mastermind principle is a completely different principle. It says, in the words of the Japanese proverb, that all of us are smarter than one of us. And if we bring all of our wisdom together for the benefit of each individual, we will fly high and fly well. What the mastermind does, it creates wisdom of the group, synergy, to help each and every one of us to go forth with initiating projects, to brainstorm ideas, dilemmas, to gain support, to create things that are not around, and to go beyond the limits we put on ourselves. It's a concept that actually comes from the business world, but it's nothing businessy about it. It really means that we have this potential, and it's a matter of knowing how to create yourself, to do the dialogue, to do the synergy. It's pretty fast-paced, but it's a wonderful concept. I think it works wonders for us on the staging journey. So looking forward to having you with us. In the meantime, please keep healthy, stay curious, stay creative, stay with an open mind, and come join us. Hope to see you at the Mastermind. Bye.